Okay, go ahead, guys.
So, can you hear in that ear now? Can you hear what I'm saying? Or just...
No, it's beeped right now.
Mm-hmm.
Kind
Okay.
of sensation.
Yeah, how loud are those beeps?
Not super loud.
Not super loud. Do you hear those beeps with my voice?
Yeah,
How about your voice?
same thing.
Same thing. And how about their voices?
So, when you say beeps, is it beeps or pressure?
It's not the pressure, it's beep.
Me.
Hit her.
She's funny.
Sounds like I'm in a tunnel.
Yes. That is very common. I'm gonna make some loud sounds. I wanna make sure that it's not too loud to start off with. Because remember, we're gonna slowly kind of work the volume up.
I mean, I can hear it.
You can hear it, but it's not. I'll say you didn't jump out of your seat.
Hmm?
So you didn't jump out of your seat, so
No.
that's good.
That was loud to me.
Are you comfortable going home with this volume as the quietest setting?
Are you gonna make it so I can up it?
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna
Okay.
make it so you can up it. I don't want to give you too much volume for your lowest level, if that
Right.
makes sense.
Okay.
So you will have complete control and you'll be able to turn it up from here.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and put on your other implant. See what it sounds like with 2 ears.
Okay.
Okay, what does it sound like with both your ears on?
Don't different. But it's good though.
Go ahead, guys.
So when you're saying different, you still feel the beeps, or is this one training
don't.
that one?
I don't feel like I'm in a tunnel now.
What do you feel like? What are you? Beep beep.
She's not very nice. She's beeping at you.
No, it's good to have that on. It's kind of like how it was like with this one, right? It's like the sensation almost back in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
So those beeps are exactly what most people report. And because it's literally an electrode firing
Right.
at your nerve and it's a beep. But your brain basically learns Morse code
Right.
and can learn that that sound, that beep, beep, beep means this. So you should, I'm excited for you.
So am I. Now that I can hear the ball.
Both
Yeah.
ears, yeah. You might know this, and you might remember, you might be really tired
Oh yeah.
for the next couple of weeks because your brain is basically like
Overload.
overloaded. It's studying for finals all
Right.
day, all day. So you'll probably be really tired, and that's completely normal.
That's good.
Give yourself a little bit of grace because it's going to be kind of a rough, tired
That's okay.
week.
Maybe I'll sleep better at night.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Anticipation. Now you've been here and
Right.
yeah.
And so we'll start again with the lowest level. This will be the lowest level, and then you'll be able to turn it up. And this time, since you're familiar with how to use the volume control and the programs, I'm actually going to give you both. So P1 is going to be the softest program, but you can turn setting 1 down and up.
Okay.
Setting 2 is going to be a little bit louder, but you can also turn it down and up. 3, and then
Okay.
4. So that you have a little bit more control. Okay, I'll turn this off here.